Hi kiddos! This video will show you how to get started on Google Classroom. So the first thing you want to do is head to classroom.google.com. You can either search for it or just type it up here in the web browser. From there, you'll want to go ahead and sign in with your MUHSD account. Once you've done that and you've logged in with your account, it'll take you to this main page. First thing you want to do is go up, click the plus button, select Join Class, and type in our classroom code. Make sure that you select the correct period because each period has different codes, so make sure you're typing the correct one. Imagine that you type it there, then you'll go ahead and click Join, and then it'll go ahead and add that class for you. So just to show you what it looks like, I'm going to go ahead and click on a class that I'm in so I can show you the basics of what it looks like as a student. So let's pretend that you'll click on your new class. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about the basics. So up here, there are 3 tabs: Stream, Classmates, and About. First one I want to talk to you regarding is the About section. So click on the About tab. And from here, you'll notice a few things. You'll notice that it'll give you a link to your work. If you click there, it'll take you to all the assignments that you created. And that's really nice for when you're looking for specific things. You don't have to go to your actual drive. Then you can also click on your class drive folder. And you can even click on the classroom calendar if you want to see what's due or for the future times. In addition, it'll give you my image and my email. You can actually click on the email and it'll start a new email for you. It's a quick way to reach me. And in this area here that's blank right now, in my classroom, you're going to have a lot of materials there. So you'll have, for example, a link to my website. You'll have a link to the HMH ebook. You might also have some PDF books that I add on there. It'll be different items that you need in my classroom, kind of like your books that you'll need. Next up here, you'll also see a Classmates tab that'll show you all of your classmates. And you'll see the stream. The stream is the main page where all of the assignments and lessons and even announcements are posted. So I want to go ahead and switch over to a different class because I want to show you what that'll look like once we get going and add a bunch of things to our Google Classroom. So here's my class from last year, and what I mainly want to show you are these items here. So here on the upper left, you'll see a little section that says no work due soon. When there are items due, it'll actually say and tell you what's due. Then down below, there's a section called topics. These are kind of like categories. And whenever I add an assignment or a lesson or even an announcement, I'll add a topic to it. So let's pretend that we're reading Romeo and Juliet. Well, everything that I post for that unit is going to be under Romeo and Juliet. So let's say one day you're looking for a specific assignment and you don't want to just scroll past, 2 weeks ago. What you can do is just go ahead and click Romeo and Juliet, and it'll take you to everything that was assigned during that time or for that unit. This is really helpful. For example, if you're looking for just the extra credit assignments, then you could click those and view those. Let's say you're looking just for like school-wide info, then it'll just give you things on like this journalism course info that I provided to my old students. So it's really helpful. Another thing that you want to pay attention to is the way that I post things. So for example, in this class, and I might have to scroll back a bit to show you, when I post my lesson slideshows, I post them all on one post. So sometimes you have to scroll a little bit to find them, or I push it to the top. But whenever you're looking for a slideshow, they're all together, and they're, of course, by date, and they'll tell you what exactly it was that we were focusing on. But the assignments I post individually, so that'll be its own post where you can turn in and click done and so on. So just as an FYI, whenever you're looking for the lesson slideshows, those are on their own in one post, but assignments are individually, like there and there, for example. All right, everyone. So I believe those are the basic things that I wanted to go over. And hopefully with that, you'll be all set in your Google Classroom for our English class.